Hello everyone, I hope you will be fine. In today's video, we are going to build a simple quiz app using Flutter. This app lets users answer multiple choice questions, shows if their answers are right or wrong, and display the find score. We will also look at how we use dot logic to handle scoring, question navigation, and answer checking. Let's move to the code. Main quiz page using a stateful widget to update the UI on user interaction. List of quiz question, each with a question, list of option and index of the correct answer. I scroll down slow. That's why you see it correctly. Int correct question index equal to 0, index of the current question, int score equal to 0, track correct answers, bool answered equal to false, track if the correct answer is already answered, int selected index uses selected option, function to handle answer selection, selected answer index, if answer return, prevent multiple answers, set state, selected index equal to index answer equal to true, if selected answer is correct, increase score. Move to the next question or show results. Restart quiz. If all questions are done, show result screen if finished, otherwise show questions. We need to build the question card. Build the question card with options. Display the current question number. Display options. Generate option buttons. Highest selected option green or red. Correct answer, incorrect answer. Create option button. Select answer. Next question button. Widget to show final score. Indicate quiz is finished. Display score. Restart the quiz. Now we go to emulator to see the results. Here I select the options one by one. We have total questions 10. This is correct. This is also correct. Now this is wrong. This is correct. This is correct. This is wrong. This is correct. This is correct. This is wrong. This is correct. Finished. Here our score is also displayed. Now we click restart button to play the quiz again. I hope you will be enjoy this video. In this video, you will learn about Dart logic building step by step.